Another great hot hatch. This Lapiz Blue Golf R Mark 8. 1,900 miles on the car today, 21 registration, with a panoramic tilt and sliding roof. Live price is 42,990. Now this car is good as new. It's a new model car, new generation, new interior, exterior. It's just brilliant with 340 brake horsepower. They're a quick little car, but they sound brilliant. And because they're a medium-sized hatchback, they do a brilliant job. They've got a nice boot space and lots of room in the interior as well. For me, the colour is absolutely beautiful. It's iconic. My favourite colour is blue, so you can't really talk me out of it. It looks great. That's exactly how I'd have a Golf R. Now this one's got another extra as well. It's got the DCC, which is the dynamic sashay control, which I'll show in a few more seconds on the interior. But starting from the front, you've got that new style headlights there with a full LED daytime running lights and that LED strip that goes all the way across the front. And being the R model, you've got the blue strip built into the headlight and the front grille as well. You've now got something called IQ headlights and IQ rear lights, which is VW's version of the best headlights you can get, really. Being the Golf R, you've got the more flared front bumper with a high gloss black insert and that front section as well. Front rear parking sensors, and on this one as standard you get the adaptive cruise control. So the cruise control is great. The adaptive cruise control just means that the car in front, it keeps the same measurements. As he slows down, so will this, and as that car speeds up, so will this one, keeping the same distance all the way. You've then got the blue brake calipers with that Golf R symbol on, the diamond cut alloy wheels with a high gloss black inserts, all the R badging, sun protection glass, and then as for the interior, well, make your own mind up, because that for me is super slick. It's crisp, it's tidy, very neat, flat bottom steering wheel, leather wrapped. You've got that beautiful Alcantara finish with a bucket style seating and the R tartan cloth in the inner section. You have this carbon fibre feel or look to the interior inlays, ambient lighting in the door cards and the centre dash, and it's just, look at it, like new. Still has warranty up until 2024. Again, ambient lighting in the back door and the back pocket, rear climate, USB and USC all the way around the car. The new style rear light system for me are absolutely gorgeous, just looks stunning. And then you have the quad tailpipes. What a great look from the back that is, with the F1 style high gloss black rear diffuser there. R badge bang in the middle, rear boot spoiler, and then like I said, a very generous boot. So this is a nice hot hatch that still gives you plenty of space to be practical inside and the boot. The shelf comes out. The way it sits is brilliant. They're a fantastic car. The drive's superb. They're a very solid car. Golfs always have been. You know what you're getting with the Golf. You know you're getting reliability, you're getting power, you're getting traction. And then this one, like I say, with the new dash, the full digital dash on there, the touchscreen media system, all the switches have changed, so it's very simple, but still very technical, if that makes sense. Stop start button in the square, the little gear shifter down here with the DSG gearbox with elongated paddle shift, heated steering wheel, and then remember with the DCC, you can configure your drive if you want it in comfort, sport, race, and how tense or intense you want it. Different steering options, drive options, so you can configure all that. If you want just a sport, the change of the tone of the exhaust, you can maneuver all that. Over here, this is all just touch. You don't need to press it. Well, you do press it, but you don't need to press it too hard. It's just touch. That's brilliant. Steering column adjustment, in and out, up and down. You've got all the R badging again and that beautiful blue accent around the steering wheel and on the stitching as well. Charging pad just down here. Electric automatic hold and electric handbrake as well. Twin cup holders. I don't know what more you could really want from a car like this. 42,990, like new, 1,900 miles on, in the beautiful Lapiz Blue, just arrived. My name's Joe, my name and number is on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.